light. Pretty simple. Verified the power was off to this outlet. Yeah, I've been hit enough times. I'm still going to make sure that they don't touch. Okay. So this goes up here.
Oh, and then you unscrew those so you can get that in, and then you unscrew it, and then so you can put the actual light on.
Give them a call.
Here you go. That's unscrewed. Okay. We're on the walls from anytime?
Sure. My wife's a sewer. She sews, and this pole is for her projector. And so we're going to try and mount this big ass fan to pipe without moving the pole.
So that's the grounding?
Yep. Because my house is old. I don't actually have a ground wire that goes back to my box, so I am grounding it this way, which is the way it was originally grounded.
What?
So I'm pretty much grounding it to the box instead of grounding it to the panel. That's how that works. So this is your safety line, which is cool. Most of them don't have this. Everything else is hooked up, makes it really easy right there.
Here. Here's one. How does wire nuts work?
They twist the wires together and make threads that screw into the bottom of the wire nut that holds the wires together.
Oh, that's cool.
Give everything a good tug, make sure it don't go nowhere. Screwdriver. See, we're cleared.
You still need that?
Flip it.
Hey!
Turn off all the way. No, leave it up all the way. They're not them.
Yes, they are.
Oh, they are?
Because we have a dimmable switch, so I got dimmable bolts. No, I'm
Go
adorable.
fan. Oh. I'm the wrong way.
Oh, that's the stuff. Oh,
I feel the airflow.
yeah, you do.
Dimmable. Bring it down. In there. Right.
Cool. Still works.
Don't do it a lot. That way I won't
There.
want to show up the light.